Bat Trang Pottery Village, a journey through clay and culture.
Just outside the buzz of Hanoi's motorbikes and street food magic, there's a quieter rhythm waiting for you. Here, by the Red River, clay whispers stories, and smoke curls like ancient ink in the sky. This isn't just a village, it's a living museum, a ceramic symphony, a place where mud becomes magic. So buckle up, or better yet, take it slow, as we roll into Bat Trang Pottery Village, where tradition is hand-spun and yes, sometimes a little lopsided, but always full of soul.
The story of Bat Trang, a heritage molded by time. Long before skyscrapers rose over Hanoi, before electricity lit the streets, there was Bat Trang, a humble riverside village shaping Vietnam's story one bowl at a time. Founded over 700 years ago during the Lai Dynasty, Bat Trang began as a simple gathering of skilled families. They molded more than just clay, they molded identity. Generations of artisans passed down their secrets not in textbooks, but in quiet moments by the wheel. A father's hands guiding a child's, a grandmother glazing with care, every motion a memory. Over centuries, the village weathered wars, floods, dynasties, and modern pressures, and yet the kilns kept burning. Today, Bat Trang is no longer just a name on the map. It's a symbol of resilience, reinvention, and remarkable craftsmanship. From royal commissions to modern design boutiques, its influence reaches far beyond Vietnam's borders. Yes, electric wheels and online shops have made their way in, but the essence? The soul? It still lies in the mud under your fingernails, in the warm hum of the kiln, in the silence between brushstrokes. Bat Trang is where the past isn't just remembered, it's remade every single day. The craft. Techniques from the past to the future. In Bat Trang, the journey of pottery begins the same way it has for centuries, with a lump of raw clay from the Red River and a whole lot of patience. Here, tradition still rules the wheel. Clay is wedged to remove air bubbles, thrown into shape by hand, and sculpted with tools so old they've probably earned retirement benefits. Watch closely, and you'll see a kind of choreography. The spin of the wheel, the rhythm of fingers, the hush of concentration. It's less factory, more poetry. But make no mistake, Bat Trang isn't just a museum of old techniques. Walk a little further, and you'll hear the soft whir of electric wheels. See a laser sketching delicate patterns. Smell. Okay, still a bit of kiln smoke, but it's cleaner now. Artisans today are part chemist, part designer, part magician. They test new glazes that shimmer like dragonfly wings and shift colors depending on the light. It's not just pottery, it's mood pottery. And the glazes? Oh, the glazes. Deep celadon greens that look like ancient jade, warm antique browns like riverbank earth, and brilliant Bat Trang blues, vivid, haunting, unmistakable, all thanks to the unique minerals found only in this village's soil. Each piece is a fusion of old and new, mud and fire, patience and play. And whether it's destined for a tea table in Tokyo or a gallery in Paris, it always begins with two hands, a spinning wheel, and a heartbeat of tradition. Pottery with purpose, products and personality. In Bat Trang, pottery isn't just art for the shelf. It's made to live with you, to be held, poured, sipped, and shared. You'll find dainty tea sets worthy of royalty, and sturdy dinnerware that survived more family meals than we dare count. There are vases as tall as your nephew, and tiles tiny enough to hold your name, literally. Customization is a big deal here. Want your name in ancient script? Your zodiac animal painted with a wink? A personal message baked into ceramic forever? No problem. Each piece is more than pretty. It's purposeful. A hand-painted bowl might hold your morning noodles. or your memories from a trip you'll never forget. And the best part? Every curve, every brushstroke, every fingerprint is real, made by someone who probably lives just a few doors down from the workshop. So whether it's a tiny elephant figurine that makes your kid giggle, or a custom mug that says John's Coffee Only in Vietnamese calligraphy, what you take home isn't just pottery. It's a piece of Bat Trang's heart, yours to keep. Culture, festivals, and the living village. In Bat Trang, pottery isn't just something you make, it's something you live. Every spring, the Bat Trang Pottery Festival bursts to life. Kilns roar, artists showcase their finest work, and the village hums with color, rhythm, and a whole lot of joyful clay smearing. Here, tradition steps out of the workshop and into the streets. The walls become storytellers, literally, covered in ceramic mosaics depicting ancient legends, village life, and even a phoenix or two, because why not? Walk around, and you'll notice something beautiful. Every home is a studio. Every alley hides a surprise. A mural, a kiln, a cat sleeping next to 10 hand-painted teapots. And the people? They're not just artisans. They're storytellers, teachers, cultural ambassadors. Many open their doors to visitors, not to sell, but to share. In Bat Trang, creativity isn't locked away behind museum glass. It flows through the village like the river that birthed it. This is not a place frozen in time. It's very much alive. So come with curiosity, leave with inspiration, and probably a bit of clay on your shirt. Visiting Bat Trang, a hands-on cultural escape. Just a 30-minute ride from Hanoi's bustling old quarter, and suddenly, the honking fades, the air shifts, and time slows down. Welcome to Bat Trang, where your souvenir isn't something you buy, it's something you make. Whether you're 5 or 50, pottery workshops here are irresistible. Sit down at the wheel, let the clay spin through your fingers, and feel centuries of tradition settle into your hands. Don't worry, your pot might wobble a little, but that just means it's authentically yours. Guided tours run year-round, and the locals are as warm as the kilns. But if you can, come in spring or autumn, when the weather is perfect and the village air carries that gentle, earthy scent of clay and history. Beyond pottery, there's plenty to taste. Try a hot plate of ban te, soft rice cakes filled with savory goodness, or grab a coffee at one of the ceramic-themed cafes, where every cup is both a drink and a design statement. And don't be surprised if you spend hours just wandering from shop to shop, mural to mural, story to story. Because Bat Trang isn't just a destination, it's an invitation to slow down, to create and to connect, and to sustainability and the future of Bat Trang. In a world spinning ever faster, Bat Trang chooses a different rhythm, one shaped by care, creativity, and now more than ever, sustainability. With tourism and global demand on the rise, the village has embraced the challenge not just to grow, but to grow wisely. Old wood-fired kilns are being replaced or upgraded with cleaner, energy-efficient versions. Clay scraps? Recycled. Glazes? More eco-conscious. Some studios even power their kilns with solar energy. Pottery meets planetary care. But it's not just about technology. It's about people. Young artisans are stepping up with fresh ideas rooted in deep respect. They blend tradition with innovation, crafting pieces that are beautiful, meaningful, and mindful. Community groups are leading cleanup efforts, replanting greenery, and painting messages of environmental hope across ceramic walls. This is Bat Trang's new legacy, not just preserving heritage, but shaping a future where culture and sustainability go hand in hand. Because here, in a village where everything begins with clay, they know the best things take time, and they're meant to last.
In Bat Trang, even the smallest crack in the glaze holds a memory, a whisper from the past to the present. Every swirl of clay tells a story, of generations who shaped not just pottery, but identity, culture, and community. This isn't just a village, it's a living masterpiece, crafted over centuries, one kiln-fired heartbeat at a time. Come for the ceramics, stay for the soul. Let your hands shape the clay, and let Bat Trang shape a piece of your heart. Because here, in the gentle rhythm of the wheel, in the warmth of a shared craft, you don't just witness tradition, you become part of it. Bat Trang awaits.